This is a real AI news brief that landed in a Telegram channel this morning. No one wrote it, no one scheduled it manually. It pulled from multiple sources, summarized everything into one clean message, and posted itself automatically. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact setup behind this. It uses a tool called RSS.app. It monitors whatever websites, blogs, or social media pages you choose, feeds all of those updates into an AI that writes a single daily summary, and delivers that summary straight to your Telegram channel on a schedule you set. Let's get into it. Go to rss.app and open the RSS generator. Take any website you want your community to stay updated on: a niche publication, an industry blog, a competitor's page. Paste the URL and hit generate. RSS app creates a feed from that source and starts tracking it automatically. Save it to your account. Now repeat that for every other site you want to follow. You can add as many as you need. You don't even need a specific URL. You can also just type a keyword. If your channel covers, say, cryptocurrency, type it into the generator and RSS app will pull relevant articles from across the web for you. Once you have all your sources in, go to Bundles in the sidebar, click New Bundle, add everything you just created, give it a name, and save. Now you've got one unified feed aggregating all of it, and that's what we'll run the AI over next. Next, toggle the AI brief switch on. This is the key switch. Instead of sending your channel every individual article, AI brief reads all the recent posts and writes one clean, cohesive summary. One message. All the signal, none of the notification noise. Click into the AI brief tab. Here you can choose the tone. There are preset personalities, or you can write a custom prompt to match your channel's voice. You can also pick the format: a short digest, a bulleted headline list, a more editorial summary. Choose whatever fits how your community prefers to read. When that's set, go to Schedule. Toggle Auto-Generate on, then pick your time and time zone. Most community managers set this for early morning, so the brief is waiting when members wake up. From this point on, RSS app generates the summary automatically every day at the time you chose. Last step. Go back to your feed overview and click the Telegram icon. Log in with your Telegram account and authorize RSS app to post. Then you'll choose where the brief gets sent: a channel you admin, a group, or your own DMs. Add the RSS app bot to your Telegram group or channel as an admin. Then select it from the dropdown in RSS app and hit save. RSS app will immediately send a test message so you can see exactly what your community will receive. If the formatting isn't quite right, head to the Settings tab. There are toggles to adjust how the message looks. And if you want to check what was actually delivered, the History tab shows you everything that's been sent so you can troubleshoot from there. And that's the whole system. Your sources feed into a bundle. The bundle feeds into AI Brief. AI Brief runs on a schedule, and Telegram gets the message automatically every day. Try it today with RSS.app.